Hey there, it's Kelly with Centric back with another week of Live Better tips. Are you dreaming of more adventure? If you want to prioritize adventure in your budget, here's some smart ways to rework your spending. Use the Insights tool in our new Centric Credit Union banking app to track your expenses and income while creating a budget. From there, you'll cut things like non-essentials, which are subscriptions, eating out, and daily coffee runs. Also lower fixed expenses, which is negotiate bills and unused services. Build an adventure fund. Automate savings, use cashback rewards, and sell unused gear. And shift your mindset. Prioritize experiences over things, buy secondhand, and plan budget-friendly trips. By making small tweaks, you can turn adventure into a priority without sacrificing financial stability. Where are you planning to go next? For these tips and to explore our Insights tool, download the new Centric Credit Union mobile app.